You've clicked the join button. I knew you had great taste. Here you can unlock a variety of special members-only perks. This includes behind-the-scenes access, where you'll get exclusive sneak peeks at what's coming up next. You'll also get photo updates from me, Gordon, and Kiki, and priority responses to all comments. Ask any cooking or baking question, and I'll answer it. You'll also get a chance to vote on what recipe I should make next, as well as channel-related decisions and fun polls. But that's not all. You'll also receive the cutest black cat loyalty badge, which will go next to your name whenever you leave a comment. As a new member, you'll start with this shy kitten, but the longer you're a member, the more special your loyalty badge will become. Oh, and you'll get a personalized welcome message from me on my community page. And that's just the Boops tier. If you'd like to support my channel even more, you can select from the Bumps, Big Purrs, or Belly Rub tiers. These provide you with all of the above, plus behind the scenes footage, bloopers. You'll want to... Sorry, my finger slipped. Extra recipes, videos of Gordon and Kiki, a video shoutout of your name at the end of each of my new videos, and even a personalized Christmas card from Gordon and Kiki. You'll also be directly helping to keep my channel running, as well as helping me to upgrade my equipment to make even better videos for you. My membership packages are fun and engaging extras, so if you're not ready to join, don't worry. You'll still be able to watch my recipe videos and communicate with me via the community tab. From me, Gordon and Kiki, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.